Hey everybody, it's Beth. Today I'm using two of these 14-ounce glass canning jars from Dollar Tree. I start by removing the lids, I won't be using those, and wiping them down. I then take Mod Podge and apply a generous layer of that to the outside of the jar. I don't do the top where the lid was or the bottom. After I have the generous layer of Mod Podge on there, I'm taking some Epsom salts and dumping those on top of the Mod Podge, kind of just patting them down as I go, covering the area where the Mod Podge is completely. And I do that to both of the jars. I shake off the excess and then use my heating tool to dry that. Next, I'm taking this ribbon I got from Dollar Tree and hot gluing that around the top rim of each of the jars. I'm also taking the same ribbon and making a couple of small bows out of that as well. I then take a couple pieces of greenery and cut the tips of those off. And then I'm hot gluing that greenery, the stem part, having it facing downward onto the ribbon around the top, hot gluing the bow on top of that, as well as a couple of red berries. Next, I'm taking this wooden tray I got from Dollar Tree, painting that with a 1 coat of Truffle chalk paint by Waverly. Once that's dry, I'm taking these scouring pads that I got from Walmart, and I just cut a piece of that off and I'm putting it in some plaster chalk paint and just swiping that along all of the sides of the tray. I also covered the inside and bottom of the tray, just giving it a nice distressing. Now, I was originally going to use the trays that have the flat sides all the way around, but once I had the Epsom salts on the jars, they would not fit in the other size tray. So I had to go with this one that had the rounded sides. It sticks out a little bit on these sides so the jars would fit. I then cut some more of that greenery, hot glued it to one of the longer sides of the tray, and then hot glued some berries on top of that. And then I just placed both of the jars inside the tray. And then I'll be putting some lights inside those jars. That is it for this project. Thank you so much for watching.